both Saroja and me are very proud that Vamsi has been able to, that was his dream, to come up with a very good bike, and he did come up with a innovative electric bike with 25 kilometers maximum speed and 100 hours of charge. I think I personally was very much impressed with that bike itself, because it's very handy for people to go use it for short distances and for getting vegetables or whatever small things. It's a very useful bike. I think for that segment, I don't think there will be any other vehicle which can service so well. Now with this 1.1, Atom 1.1, which he has now developed with 65 kilometers range. I think that is a innovative product to come out with. Congratulations, sir.
Where the marketing guys give a feedback to the production guys, and they are able to ensure that quality of the product is maintained. And here, the more we listen to the customer, because ultimately success of a product is only on customer satisfaction. So whoever your customers are who are buying your bikes, because electric vehicle segment is a new segment, and small problems and issues. So you need to be alert. The smallest of the smallest issue, the culture should be, we should be complaint free, we should have a complaint free customer. I think that should be the motto of Atom team, and I'm sure this will be a very good, stupendous success is there in the horizon for all of us to see. So keep working on it, and all the very best to Vamsi and his team. Thank you.
Congratulations on doing such an amazing job. In COVID times, I think everybody were complaining about how COVID was bad in different ways to different people. I think for our family, it just proved right. Because in COVID times, Vamsi came up with a brilliant idea, and that idea was converted into a practicality by the amazing team. I think congratulations to all the Atom team. Because the success is, once the idea comes, that the minute it can be translated into a reality, I think that is the amazing thing, the coordination, and he could implement it. And again, hearty congratulations on the patency, with the solar roof. I think not only in India, USA and South Africa, right? Yeah. So many more such things in future. And then as the Dr. Saab said, customer satisfaction is the most important thing. Any small complaint, I think that's the way to, work on it and then get back into the full swing. So I wish many more successful events like this in future, and I should be attending and I should be giving such speeches, congratulatory speeches. Thank you.
Welcome to the growing family of Visaka. I think when I was on the way to the factory today, I was telling my mother that today is going to be a very special day for me, because all the journey of starting working with Visaka, then V-Next, then textiles, then jumped onto the Atom roof, and then now we are doing electric vehicles. So every team, every industry is coming from a different background, different thought process, different energies. So it is very glad that I'm feeling very overwhelmed that we are able to bring all the forces together, right from solar roofing to the sustainable building materials to the sustainable yarn, and then now electric vehicles. So for me and the entire team, I think we went up and saw the solar roof also. Happy to share with you all, this plant will be completely run on Atom roof totally. There is going to be 0 units that we will be buying from the grid. So that is one sustainability aspect of it, yes. And Of course, the complete office that you can see on the left, it's a very small miniature, but everything is with our boards, VNX boards, and then again the factory will be making electric vehicles. This setup we can do the target for the production team, I think Srinath Garu, Ankit and the whole team, 1 minute per bike is what the goal is for them. So I'm waiting for how fast you guys can ramp up and start producing 1 minute a bike. That will be a good milestone to achieve. Then the R&D team, I think everybody, I think Arun, Rashi, Dinesh, Krishna, the whole team has worked really hard. I think hearty congrats to the entire team. Yeah, please give a big round of applause to them. We are Dr. Saab and MD Garu, they said the technology is changing rapidly. I must tell you friends, within 1 year we came up with the new bike. Actually, a huge appreciation to our Sunil and team who did the dashboard. Prithvi, entire Atumobile network is on the dashboard. Right from simply giving an advertisement online, what we see on the screen, to the bike getting shipped out to the factory, to the customer, and then the customer raising a quality complaint and getting addressed. Everything is on a single dashboard. I think great job by Prithvi and team. I can see Prithvi there. I think the things are coming together. The new bike which you all will see now, we are going to launch it very soon, within a month. It is under testing right now, and I am very happy about the output. I can't wait for all of you to experience the new bike as well. Basically what we have done, we took all the feedback that we got on the 1.0 and we plugged it in the new bike. So that's the thing that we did, and I'm very happy of the team we built and the support I'm getting from the parent company and the parent teams. I think there are great things to uncover, and I'm looking forward to it. Thank you all for coming on this memorable occasion and making it a very happy moment. Thank you. Media and the press and our entire team, the Atumobile and the Visaka team, were very welcome to the entire gathering here. So just a brief to the media, just to catch them up with what we are doing here. We are a startup called Atumobile. It is basically a startup that is mostly targeting the motorcycle market. We actually launched a low-speed variant of our bike last year in October 2020 on the 5th, and very happy to launch the second version of the bike, which is a high-speed version, very soon into the market. We will be updating you all with the new bike as well. Here we have today our second plant inauguration. We have set up a semi-automatic electric vehicle line, which we can manufacture almost about 3.5 lakh bikes per annum. If you see an entire cycle of the events, we can manufacture a bike every minute that is in the facility. The bike that we are right now in the market with costs just 55,000 rupees. The bike is having a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour. It has a swappable battery. That means you can remove the battery from the vehicle and you can fix it back like a plug-and-play system. The advantages of this is it is as simple as charging a laptop. So basically you can unplug the battery, you can charge it in your room, you can charge it in your library, you can charge it in your office space. Quite literally anywhere you're on the go, you can take the battery with you and charge it. The full charge for the bike takes around 4 hours, where we get 100 kilometers range. and that means with the given rates of electricity unit today, it will cost you hardly 10 rupees for 100 kilometers on a full charge range. Coming to the aesthetic part of the bike, we have concentrated on making it a cafe racer bike. Today, if you see the Indian market, the entire market is focusing on electric scooters, and we are happy to be one of the first in the country wherein we are concentrating on the retro look, which is an Indian favorite. All of you know that the Indian market is having a very strong demand for the cafe racer retro looking bikes, and that is what we have tried to launch for the Indian market, where we have made a electric version of a retro bike which is very famous and common in India. Along with that, we have got a design patent. The entire innovation, entire development and the entire sourcing, I am very happy to share with you all, is completely innovated in India, made in India, sourced in India. Hardly we have only 1 or 2 parts that we are importing today in the entire BOM. So you can say more than 90 to 95% of the bike is made in India, sourced. And given the aspect of the mass reach that we are planning, right now the bike is available online. As simple as ordering a laptop, you can go to Atumobile.co and order a bike for 55,000 rupees online, and it will come straight to your doorstep. The bike will be delivered to your doorstep. Outside, you can also observe we have tried innovative mechanisms to attract the market. We have launched a service on wheels. Basically, what that means is, whichever automobile you see today, you have to go to the dealership store or you have to go to the service center. Over here, for Atumobile, it's as simple as booking an appointment online. We will send our service on wheels. Hardly within 2 to 3 hours, we can fix any issue pertaining to the bike, right from a small nut to a motor replacement. All can be done hardly within 2 to 3 hours of time. Apart from that, we also have a very innovative showroom on wheels. What that is because the bike is attracting a lot of, and for the IT segment, we can simply send the showroom on wheels truck into the campuses, either the college campuses or the IT parks, for people to experience the bike. So all in all, this is a brief about the first version, and the entire factory, as you can see. I would request the media to look on top of the roof also. The roof is made out of solar panels infused in a building material. It is called Atom roof. The entire roof manufacture is powering the entire manufacturing facility. What I mean by that is we will be buying 0 units from the electricity board. The complete electrical requirements, the electricity requirements for the electric bike manufacturing and testing is completely off-site. Basically, it is powered by solar and powered by Atom roof, wherein the roof itself will be generating electricity for you, and the entire system is green and sustainable. All of you are aware the whole concept of sustainability and green energy is on the rise, and we are happy to be the first adopters. We can proudly say that this is the first factory where it is completely off traditional power. We are completely running on green power, and we are generating that power from the roof that we have installed. So thank you so much, and over to question answers, please. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, can take a mic. Yeah. Yeah, the total area is 20,000 square feet, where we will be manufacturing the vehicles.
How many people are working at count?
In a single shift, around 50 people will be working. So we are running almost 3 shifts, so around 100 people will be in the site.
So in terms of the marketing strategy, I think you don't have to separate between retail showrooms across
Yeah, so right now we are doing direct to home delivery. We have started showrooms also in a limited places, beginning from the metros and the rural markets. So we are opening them up. We have around 10 showrooms as of now. We are launching pan India as we speak.
Sir, two bikes. So are you looking into three-wheeler segment? Any other segment?
So right now, whole concentration is going to be these two bikes. That too specific to the design that we have come up with. This cafe racer bike is what we are targeting. No plans for three-wheelers as of now, but the whole game now is how to make people adopt sustainable mobility. That is the game, and we want to be the front runners in the electric bike market.
So electric bike market is booming, but the charging infrastructure is very low.
Yeah.
This is a problem.
Absolutely.
How can you overcome this?
Yeah. So first off, as I explained, actually, we'll show you after the interaction. The bike has a swappable battery. Basically, if you just open the bottom part of the storage casing, can you just open that bottom part? The storage part of the casing, it's on the other side. Okay, you can literally open the battery and unplug it, and you can carry it in your hand. It is hardly 5 to 10 kilos. You can take the bike, you can pull out the battery, and you can charge it. You can charge it in, like today, right now, all of you are come from city, suppose. From city, after coming here, you're looking for a charging spot. Literally, you can unplug the battery and you can plug it in any of the charging points here. That is one solution we have given. Second solution is we are developing a charging network across the country where ఓకేనా అందరికీ నమస్కారము. ఇక్కడ ఈరోజు ఆటోమొబైల్ ఫ్యాక్టరీ, మా ఎలక్ట్రిక్ టూ వీలర్ ఫ్యాక్టరీ ప్రారంభం అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ ఈ ఫ్యాక్టరీ గురించి చెప్పాలంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ 100% సస్టైనబుల్ ఎనర్జీ, గ్రీన్ ఎనర్జీ తోటి నడుస్తుంది. అంటే థర్మల్ పవర్తో డిపెండెన్సీ కాకుండా ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే మేము మా ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ బిల్డ్ చేశామో కంప్లీట్లీ గ్రీన్ ఎనర్జీతో, యాటమ్ రూఫ్తో ఈ ఫ్యాక్టరీ నడుస్తుంది. ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ బోర్డ్ నుంచి మేము ఒక్క యూనిట్ కూడా తీసుకోకుండా గ్రీన్ ఎనర్జీ మీదనే నడుపుతున్నాము. ఇది ఒక కొత్త ఇన్నోవేషను. ఫ్యాక్టరీకి వస్తే మేము యాటమ్ 1.0, 1.1 అండ్ ఇతర వేరియంట్ బైక్స్ చేద్దామని ఈ ఫ్యాక్టరీ ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ చేసినాము. ఈ ఫ్యాక్టరీలో మేము 3.5 లక్షలు బైక్స్ ఒక సంవత్సరంలో మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చర్ చేయొచ్చు. 1 minute 1 బైక్, అది మా కాన్సెప్టు. ఈ ఫ్యాక్టరీలో ఫాస్ట్ స్పీడ్, లో స్పీడు, ఇతర వేరియంట్ బైక్స్ మేము మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ చేయబోతున్నాము. కేవలం 1 minute ఒక బైక్ మీకు అవుట్పుట్ ఇవ్వగలిసిన ఫ్యాక్టరీ ఇది. ఈ బైక్ గురించి చెప్పాలంటే ఈ ఫస్ట్ వేరియంట్ ఏదైతే ఉందో లో స్పీడ్ వేరియంట్ లాంచ్ చేశాము. ఆల్రెడీ 1000 బైక్స్ మేము మార్కెట్లో అమ్మినాము. చాలా బాగుంది మా రెస్పాన్సు. అందుకనే ఇప్పుడు హై స్పీడ్ వేరియంట్ కూడా మేము ఈ సంవత్సరం వెరీ సూన్ త్వరలో లాంచ్ చేయబోతున్నాము. ఈ బైక్ గురించి చెప్పాలంటే కంప్లీట్లీ న్యూ టెక్నాలజీ, మేడ్ ఇన్ ఇండియా టెక్నాలజీ, ఇన్నోవేటెడ్ ఇన్ ఇండియా టెక్నాలజీ. ఈ బైక్ మీకు టాప్ స్పీడ్ 25 వస్తుంది. రేంజ్ ఏదైతే ఉందో 100 కిలోమీటర్ రేంజ్ వస్తుంది ఒక సింగిల్ ఛార్జ్లో. ఒక ఛార్జ్లో మీకు 4 గంటల టైం పడుతుంది. ఆ 4 గంటల టైంలో కేవలము ఒకటే యూనిట్, అంటే ఒక 10 రూపాయలు ఛార్జ్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. 10 రూపాయలకి మీరు 100 కిలోమీటర్లు మీరు ఈ బైక్ నడిపించవచ్చు. అంతేకాకుండా బ్యాటరీ స్వాపబుల్ అనమాట. అంటే మీరు ఏంటంటే మీ బైక్ బ్యాటరీ అన్ప్లగ్ చేసేసి మీరు మీ ఆఫీస్కి వెళ్తుంటే, మీరు లైబ్రరీకి వెళ్తున్నా, మీరు షాపింగ్ ఎక్కడైనా వెళ్తున్నా, మీరు మీ బైక్లో బ్యాటరీ అన్ప్లగ్ చేసేసి మీరు ఎక్కడంటే అక్కడ మీరు ఛార్జింగ్ పెట్టుకోవచ్చు అనమాట. అంతేకాకుండా ఇది నో లైసెన్స్, నో రిజిస్ట్రేషన్, నో చలాన్ బైక్. ఇది యూత్కి కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేసి లాంచ్ చేసిన బైక్ ఇది. ఈ బైక్కి మీకు ఎటువంటి లైసెన్సు, చలాను, రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ ఖర్చులు మీకు అవ్వవు. కేవలం 55,000 రూపీస్ మీకు ఈ బైక్ లభిస్తుంది. డైరెక్ట్ డోర్ డెలివరీ ఇస్తున్నాము, డీలర్ ద్వారా కూడా ఇస్తున్నాము. అవైలబిలిటీ అక్రాస్ ఇండియా. మేము లే లదాఖ్ నుంచి, సిలిగురి నుంచి కన్యాకుమారి వరకు మేము డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ చేస్తున్నాము. మా నెట్వర్క్ స్ప్రెడ్ ఉంది. ఈ బైక్ చాలా బాగా రెస్పాన్స్ వస్తుంది. మీ అందరి విషెస్తో ఇంకా మెనీ మోర్ వేరియంట్స్ లాంచ్ చేద్దామని కోరుతున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఛార్జింగ్ స్టేషన్స్ అనే కొత్త కాన్సెప్ట్ కూడా లాంచ్ చేస్తున్నాము. యాటమ్ ఛార్జ్ అని చెప్పేసి, యాటమ్ రూఫ్ విత్ ఛార్జింగ్ ఫెసిలిటీ. అంటే మీకు ఎక్కడన్నా పోతే మీరు వరల్డ్లో ఛార్జింగ్ స్టేషన్ అంతా మీరు థర్మల్ బేస్డ్ పవర్ మీదనే నడుస్తుంది. మేము ఇక్కడ కొత్త కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏం లాంచ్ చేసినామంటే, మీరు రూఫ్ మీ పైకప్పుతోటే మీరు ఛార్జింగ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. పైకప్పుతో మీకు ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ ఫ్రీ అనే కాన్సెప్ట్, యాటమ్ రూఫ్ కాన్సెప్ట్. ఎక్కడ పడితే అక్కడ మీరు ఈ సోలార్ రూఫ్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసుకొని మీ ఫ్యాక్టరీ కానీ మీ ఇల్లు కానీ మీ ఛార్జింగ్ ఫెసిలిటీ కానీ దీంతో మీరు నడుపుకోవచ్చు. ఈ సేమ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఈ రూఫ్ ఏదైతే చేసినామో అదే కాన్సెప్ట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఎవ్రీబడి.
వంశీ కృష్ణ గారు ఒక కొత్త ప్రోడక్ట్ ప్రారంభించారు, ఎలక్ట్రిక్ బైక్. గ్రీన్ బిజినెస్లో ఎలక్ట్రిక్ బైక్ ఉంటే ఈ డీజిల్ పెట్రోల్ బైక్స్ని రిప్లేస్ చేస్తూ కస్టమర్కి ఒక మంచి ప్రోడక్ట్ ఇవ్వాలి, ఒక వాల్యూ బేస్డ్ ప్రోడక్ట్, అంటే ఎక్కువ ధరలు లేకుండా సామాన్యునికి ఏదైతే మంచి వెహికల్ వాడుకునే సిచ్యువేషన్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలనో అది వంశీకృష్ణ ఆలోచించి ఈ యాటమ్ బైక్ ప్రారంభం చేయడం జరిగింది. నేను ఆ బైక్ని నడిపించాను, చాలా బాగుంది. 25 కిలోమీటర్ స్పీడ్ బైక్ అద్భుతంగా ఉంది. చాలా తక్కువ ధరలో, చాలా తక్కువ ఖర్చులతో ఫ్యూచర్లో ఈ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ బైక్స్లు కూడా ఖర్చులు ఎక్కువ ఉండదు. కస్టమర్స్కి రిపేర్స్ అండ్ మెయింటెనెన్స్ కాస్ట్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటే కూడా వారికి ఇబ్బంది ఉంటుంది. అవి లేకుండా ఒక బైక్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తే వారికి ఉపయోగపడుతుందని చెప్పి ఈ బైక్ ప్రారంభం చేయడం జరిగింది. ఇప్పుడు 65 కిలోమీటర్ బైక్ కూడా వారు ప్రారంభిస్తున్నారు. తొందరగా సిటీలో డెస్టినేషన్కి తొందరగా పోవాలనుకున్న, ఊర్లలో షార్ట్ డిస్టెన్సెస్లో ఒక ఇమీడియట్గా తక్కువ ఖర్చుతో వెహికల్ కావాలంటే అది యాటమ్ బైక్. సో వారు ఈ బైక్ ప్రారంభించినందుకు వారికి అభినందనలు చెప్తూ, క్వాలిటీ మెయింటైన్ చేయాలి, ప్రైస్ కాన్షియస్ ఉండాలి, కస్టమర్ సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్ చేయాలని చెప్పి వారిని కోరడం జరిగింది. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. రైట్.